Chapter number 8, small business studies. Everybody is having the book, I suppose. Keep yourself away from camera so that I can see what you are doing. Prince, move back. Ars, move back. So this MSMED, micro, small and medium enterprises, micro, small and medium enterprises Development Act, it was introduced in 2006. It covers all the three segments: micro, small and medium. Micro, small and medium, after medium big, then very big and large scale industries comes. माइक्रो इज वेरी स्मॉल. कैसे आप इनके बीच में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे? इनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट दी होती है, कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट. बाय कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट यू कैन मेक आउट द डिफरेंस ऑफ दीज एंटरप्राइजेस. नेक्स्ट पेज में आप देखेंगे, उसमें दिया होगा इन्वेस्टमेंट इन प्लांट एंड मशीनरी. बाय the investment in plant and machinery of these enterprises, you can make out like micro enterprises can invest up to 25 lakh. Micro enterprises can invest up to 25 lakhs in plant and machinery. 25 lakhs. Then there is small enterprises. Small enterprises, ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की बात करें हम. All those enterprises which manufacture something, all those enterprises which manufacture something, and they are categorized into small, micro and medium. So their capital investment or the amount they can spend on plant and machinery, because it is the main component there. So plant and machinery pay, micro can spend up to 25 lakh, small enterprises up to 25 to 5 crores, and medium enterprises can spend 5 crore to 10 crores. 5 crore rupees to 10 crores rupees can be spent on these enterprises. Manufacturing, mind it, production or manufacturing type of industries. Then there are service industries. Service industries can spend micro up to 10 lakh, micro industries up to 10 lakh, small industries 10 lakh to 2 crores, 10 lakh to 2 crores, and medium enterprises up to 2 to 5 crores. So you have to only memorize the capital investment or investment in the different enterprises to differentiate them, because all these enterprises, they are situated or located in rural areas, in hilly areas, right? The Prime Minister has focused on Atmanirbhar Bharat. In that Atmanirbhar Bharat mission, what is the importance? What is the importance given to these industries? They are given loans at concessional rates. They are given loans at concessional rates. They are given subsidies. They are given free electricity. They are given communication facilities. They are given some other aids by the government, relaxations in different uh, documentation work. Though everything is being done digital these days, even then they are given a lot of relaxation, so that these industries come up and contribute to the nation. Satnam Singh. Satnam Singh, where you are moving? such type of students I don't want in the class, so I removed this Vishal. अगर तुम्हारा कैमरा बंद हुआ, you will be out of the class permanently. Tomorrow is parent teacher meeting. All of you know that or not? Tomorrow is parent teacher meeting. Tomorrow
Yes.
you have to
Yes,
come to
sir.
school along with your parents and in school dress. If you are not in school dress, I will send you back from there. और जो ये parent teacher meeting attend नहीं करेगा, they will not get the report card also. They will not be allowed to sit in the class. You will not be able to join Zoom class and you will be out of the school. ये ध्यान रखना. I am telling it on record. Everybody has to join the meeting positively, mandatory, compulsorily, and you have to bring your answer sheets, first term answer sheets. आपने 5 जो मेजर पेपर दिए हैं, इंग्लिश, बिजनेस, अकाउंट्स, इकोनॉमिक्स, फिजिकल, जिसके पास मैथ्स से मैथ्स एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस, ये सारे पेपर आप स्टेपल करके एक फाइल के अंदर, ट्रांसपेरेंट फाइल के अंदर नाम लिख के और क्लास लिख के अपना लेके आएंगे कल. When you will come for the meeting, you will submit it in the school. You will submit it in the school. Anybody has any doubt?
Sir, roll number wise.
Turn on the cameras, Vishal. Keep your cameras on. Aman, turn on the camera. And Asay Kumar. If there is any doubt, anybody want to ask anything, you can ask. Yes, Rini?
सर जो आंसर शीट्स हैं सर उनकी अलग अलग फाइल्स में लानी है?
No, only one file. Bring
sir.
all your answer sheets in one transparent file. पतली सी जो फाइल आती है ट्रांसपेरेंट वाली, उसमें सारी सीट्स को एक साथ ले आएंगे आप. ठीक है नहीं? ऑल द 5 आंसर सीट्स जो आपने पीडीएफ भेजी थी जिसकी, वही आंसर सीट्स आप लेके आएंगे एंड that will be submitted in the school. That will be submitted in the school. Okay, so this is the program for tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be no class. Tomorrow is meeting. So tomorrow you have to submit your papers to me, all papers to me, class teacher. And you will come along with your parents, in school uniform. Those who are not there, please inform them. Who is this?
The meeting is of
Yes?
meeting is of 3 days.
Meeting is of 3 days. Yes, meeting is on 3 days means so that you can come on any one day. But I would suggest you come tomorrow only. If your parents are not there, then you can come or day after tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But tomorrow you all are welcome and come along with your parents only in school uniform. Only.
The timing
is 9 to 11. 9 to 11. Okay, who is this Aman? Click on the camera. Otherwise you are also out of the class. Aman. No problem. Let me remove him. Out. Such type of students not required. He is also out now. Anjali, keep the camera on. Moving on with the.
Sir.
Yes, first.
सर वो जैसे आपने कहा था कि रोल नंबर वाइज बुलाएंगे या फिर सभी के साथ आएंगे?
No, you can come tomorrow because everybody does not come on the same time. No problem. You all can come tomorrow, but it is very compulsory to join the meeting. That's all.
Okay.
Very
Okay,
very
sir.
compulsory for everyone to join the meeting. Very soon the schools are going to reopen. We also have to talk to your parents regarding the consent, what they feel about the reopening of the school. That is also a point to be discussed. That's why it is compulsory for every parent to be present there. Continuing with the chapter, meaning and nature of small business. इसमें देखिए एग्जाम्पल दिए हुए, ट्रेडिशनल, हैंडलूम, हैंडीक्राफ्ट, सेरिकल्चर, khadi and village industries, all those industries which are set up in rural areas, in backward areas, in hilly areas, and which work in some way or contribute in some way for our nation, or they contribute for big industries, यानी big industries के लिए raw material वगैरह तैयार करना, big industries के लिए और very big industries के लिए उनके products को जो है तैयार करना, so that they can be assembled in the big industries, is the main function of these type of industries. So first of all, you come to the page number 296. And the two most important topic of this chapter, role and problems. Role of small scale industries. Role of small scale industries. I will explain only these two topics today. Role of small scale business in rural India. In rural India. Example आपको दे रखे, there are 13 million, almost 13 million MSMEs, micro and small or medium enterprises. 40% of the products manufactured by them are exported. 45% are involved in industrial production, and 31 million people are employed in it. 31 million people are employed in it. So you can imagine how much it is contributing in our national income, in the GDP of the country. There is a lot of, I would say, contribution of these type of industries in almost every sector. In almost every sector, इनका contribution towards Indian socio-economic development is really too much. A lot of employment opportunities are given by these type of industries. Many of the people, those who are not educated, those who are not those who do not get jobs in the high or multinational companies or big industries, they are inclined to these type of industries for their jobs. Many of the entrepreneurs, they have started their own Swarozgar Yojana, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India scheme by the government of India. Make in India. Under that Make in India scheme, investors, they are promoted to start these type of industries, small scale industries, so that they can contribute. Now, the contribution of small scale industries toward the development of economic condition of the country is: number one, output generation. Output generation means small scale industries, they have contributed 40%. They contribute 40% of the gross national income. You can say, for every 1 million rupee of investment, इसमें आपका 40%, 4.62 लगभग, ये तो आपका स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज का ही है. So it adds to the GDP, gross value of the nation. Number two, employment opportunities. It provides employment to almost 31 million to 35 million people. इतने सारे लोग जो है किसी ना किसी तरीके से इसमें जुड़े हुए हैं, चाहे वो डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स हो, चाहे वो आपका कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री हो, हैंडलूम्स हो, हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स हो, राइट, पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग हो, nurseries ho. You see nurseries, lot of nurseries in Kicha you see around, and many people are engaged in that. Multiple sources of income. Multiple sources of income. It offers a wide range of, every person, ऐसा कहा जाता है that every person should have multiple sources of income. Multiple sources of income होने से the person can survive in tough conditions. Like in this corona phase, those who had multiple sources of income, they could survive better. कई लोग जो है 1, 2, 3, 4 काम करते हैं. They have their own shops also. They are LIC agents also, right? They in the morning or in the evening they do some work from home also, right? Many people are there. Those who are some are good at music, so they sometimes give their program also. Different works can be done. So these small scale industries provide multiple sources of income. Any person can start these type of small industries. Vyom, are you listening? Jasanjit, camera on. Are you getting? Whenever you have to answer in yes, you have to raise your hand like this. Whenever I ask the question, you have to answer. चाहे वो आंसर आपका yes में हो, आंसर no में हो, you have to answer. If you do not know also, you have to unmute and say, sir, I do not know. Please ask me something else. Please ask me about this topic or that topic. I do not know. When you say, it is not a good answer. You should say, sir, I am not able to answer this question right now, but you can ask me some other question. I know something. It is not that I do not know anything. This one particular I do not know, but you can ask me the other topic. There are so many topics in the chapter. You can ask me this particular topic. I will be able to explain. That is a good point. Nobody should say, I do not know. You should say, sir, ask me this topic. Instead of this, tomorrow I will be able to give the answer of the other one. Like that. Some positive answers should come. Promotes balanced regional growth. It promotes balanced regional growth. Small scale industries are located at interior, backward, rural areas, hilly areas. Hill में, पहाड़ों में भी आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे small scale industries are set up. आज से बहुत पहले in रानी बाग HMT factory was set up. HMT, though अब तो घड़ी की वो फैक्ट्री बंद हो गई है, but when that factory was set up in that रानी बाग, काठगोदाम के पास, way back, that was government's balanced decision to promote employment. in that particular area, that hilly area. So you see there are a lot of people were employed in that. You know, quarters are made for the people working in that particular company. And same way other factories are set up at different places. Small business is being started. Banks give different type of loans so that people come up and start different work, and which can also give employment opportunities. It raises the standard of living, right? And all the areas in the particular district, then in state, then in the nation, they all come up. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही जगह में सिर्फ शहरों में ही जो है डेवलपमेंट वर्क होता रहे, वहां पर इंडस्ट्री सेटअप होती रहे. So government also takes in necessary measures to see that these type of setups, small setups, are also started in rural areas, hilly areas, backward areas, so that balanced regional growth is achieved. Low cost of production in these type of industries, cost of production is low because एक तो वैसे ही यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे बनते हैं जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट डेली नीड्स के होते हैं और नॉट ऑफ वेरी स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी बट इसेंशियल कमोडिटीज से रिलेटेड होते हैं. उनका कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन काफी कम होता है बिकॉज लेबर कॉस्ट भी वहां पर काफी कम रहती है. इट प्रमोट्स एक्सपोर्ट. एक्सपोर्ट जैसे कि आपको पहले बताया था, अबाउट 40% of the products are exported which are manufactured by these type of industries, optimum use of resources. optimum का मतलब होता है maximum resources, maximum use किया जाता है उनका. nothing goes waste. it is minimum input and maximum output policy, that everything is being utilized to the maximum. Everything is being utilized to the maximum. It has to be seen. Then there is customized production. Customized production का मतलब समझते हैं? Customized production का मतलब होता है that these small scale industries also prepare products according to the needs and requirements and demand of the people. आपकी डिमांड पे, आपके उस पे, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लाइक्स एंड इंटरेस्ट, दे कैन प्रोड्यूस गुड्स फॉर यू, स्पेशली फॉर यू ऑल्सो. यू कैन गिव देम द ऑर्डर्स, स्मॉल ऑर्डर्स ऑल्सो दे टेक. एंड लास्ट, बिजनेस बेस्ड ऑन पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप. दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस which is largely dependent on personal relationship. People help one another, cooperate with one another, and they do this type of business. One more topic I will take: government assistance to small scale industries and small business units. Government assistance, you understand कि government क्या क्या मदद करती है इस टाइप की इंडस्ट्रीज को. Everybody turn on the camera. I will take your photograph and all of you must be present tomorrow in the meeting. Hassan, Jasanjeet, Ravi, Jasanjeet, turn on the camera.
सर आपकी सर
सर कैमरा ऑन है.
कैमरा ऑन है तो दिख तो नहीं रहा तुम?
आवाज स्क्रीन.
रवि,
सर मेरा कैमरा ऑन है. आप नहीं दिख रहे.
so all these students, those who are present now in the meeting, will attend the meeting tomorrow. I have taken the photograph. Your attendance is taken. All should be present tomorrow for the meeting. If you are not there, I will assume it to be disobedience. Tomorrow everybody should be present in the meeting with the answer sheets. Answer sheet लेके नहीं आएंगे, I will send you back. Your answer sheets should come along with you. ट्रांसपेरेंट फाइल में सारे पेपर्स आप लेके आएंगे. ओके, ओके। नाउ सबसे पहला गवर्नमेंट असिस्टेंस। गवर्नमेंट क्या असिस्टेंस देती है, क्या हेल्प करती है इस टाइप की इंडस्ट्रीज को? नंबर वन, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का मीनिंग है रोड, मतलब जो ट्रांसपोर्ट फैसिलिटीज है वहां पर रोड्स बनवाना, हॉस्पिटल्स, स्कूल्स, होम्स, घर बनवा के देना लोगों को, वहां पर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वाटर। when all these are developed in a particular area, तो आप समझ सकते हैं लोगों का लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड जो है दैट राइजेस। अनलेस देयर इज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, आप उस जगह पे बिल्कुल नहीं जाना चाहेंगे जहां पर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी नहीं है, पैदल जाना पड़ता है, जहां पर वाटर फैसिलिटी नहीं है, पीने का पानी वहां पर बहुत मुश्किल है, कम्युनिकेशन फैसिलिटीज नहीं है, देयर आर नो हॉस्पिटल्स, राइट? आप अगर वहां जाके रहते हैं, देयर आर नो स्कूल्स फॉर योर किड्स। So first of all, whenever the factories or industries, small industries are set up or you want to start, you have to see that the government sees that all these facilities are provided there. Infrastructure facilities are provided by the government, local government, state government, central government. Number two, finance. गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो हेल्प दीज टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज विद द मनी। वो जब लोन मांगते हैं, व्हेन दे आस्क फॉर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लोन्स टू स्टार्ट अप अ बिजनेस, गवर्नमेंट रेडली एक्सेप्ट देयर एप्लीकेशन एंड प्रोवाइड देम लोन, एंड लोन ऑल्सो एट लो इंटरेस्ट, वेरी लो इंटरेस्ट, समटाइम्स नो इंटरेस्ट टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस। मेक इन इंडिया प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत अगर आप लोन लेते हैं तो बहुत कम इंटरेस्ट आपको देना पड़ता है, एंड यू कैन पे इन इंस्टॉलमेंट्स। गवर्नमेंट गिव दिस फाइनेंस फैसिलिटी। नंबर थर्ड, टेक्नोलॉजी एंड अपग्रेडेशन। जो भी लेटेस्ट मशीनरी, प्लांट वगैरह आपको चाहिए होगी, गवर्नमेंट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू, असिस्ट यू टू परचेज दोज प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, टेक्नोलॉजिकल गैजेट्स, वट। और अगर आपके पास कुछ पहले से है तो उसको जो है अपग्रेड करके देगी। नंबर फोर्थ, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट। गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड्स ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटीज। आप टाइम टू टाइम सुनते होंगे कि डिफरेंट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के, जिसमें अनस्किल्ड लोग जाते हैं, वहां पर ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं, they refine themselves, they make themselves skilled and help their business to grow further. Procurement of raw material and labor. अगर वहां पर रॉ मटेरियल और लेबर प्रॉब्लम होती है, गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो सीज टू इट, राइट? वहां पर रॉ मटेरियल प्रोवाइड कराना, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड कराना। लेबर प्रॉब्लम है तो दूसरी जगह से लोगों को लाकर वहां पर सेटल करवाना, ये भी गवर्नमेंट जो है असिस्ट करती है। टैक्स एग्जेम्पशंस। टैक्स एग्जेम्पशंस, एग्जेम्पशंस का मतलब होता है रिबेट, छूट। गवर्नमेंट कई तरह के टैक्स में छूट देती है। टैक्स हॉलिडेज, दे आर कॉल्ड आल्सो नोन एज टैक्स हॉलिडेज। टैक्स हॉलिडेज मींस इन द इनिशियल स्टेज, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द बिजनेस, गवर्नमेंट 1 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल, 4 साल तक के लिए कोई टैक्स ही नहीं लेती है, सो दैट businessmen are motivated to continue their business in that particular region or area. Especially your business, such type of business must be located in rural areas, in backward areas, in hilly areas, or in that area where there are no industries, right? Where you can give some employment opportunities, where you can provide good quality products at reasonable rates. So all this will also help in the national income also, GDP also, gross domestic product also. It will also help in the export of products. It will also add to the value. It will also raise the standard of living. In all, if we summarize, you must have found it to be a very general chapter and general topics, जिसमें से many of you are aware of it already. These are, points which can be easily memorized, also. So start your second term very seriously. Whatever chapters are there, 4 chapters है business में, all together 10 chapters will be asked in the final exam. Final exam आपके February में होंगे. उससे पहले आपके periodic test होंगे. Look in your diaries. Tomorrow when you come, you can ask for your diaries also. Okay? You will get your diaries also, those who have not got. How many of you have got the diaries? Nobody? So tomorrow you ask for the diaries also.
No, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow you will get the school diary also, in which dates are mentioned of different exams, of periodic test, everything. So this is for today. Revise the topics. Start writing in your notebooks, because many of you, those who have not got your notebooks checked in the first term, they have not got any marks out of 20. Practical way, they have not got any marks. They are not practical marks. They are the marks for the notebook. They are the marks for your attendance. They are the marks for your class performance, how you have performed in the class, or how you have answered in the class, in the Zoom meetings, how much regular you are. They are the marks for that. So out of 20, some have got 3 marks also, 4 marks also. 1 or 2 students, I remember, they have got 0. They have got 0 also. So don't do this, repeat this in the second term. Try to complete your work on time. Submit your notebooks time to time to get it checked. Also, be serious about your studies, because in the final term, whole syllabus, whole book in all the subjects will come. ऐसा नहीं है कि फर्स्ट टर्म का सिलेबस आपका नहीं आएगा या कुछ परसेंटेज आएगा. It will be first chapter to the last chapter in all the subjects. In all the subjects. So tomorrow we will be telling you your marks also. Okay? Only in the exam. Only in the exam. कितने marks लगभग आपके आए? How you have performed in subjective, how you have performed in objective. All these things will be discussed. So all of you must be present tomorrow. Revise the chapter, prepare notes, and see you tomorrow in the school. Come along with your parents in school dress and with the answer sheets. Circulate this message to your friends also. Thank you. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.